Hello everyone, I'm going to show you a demo to install the Luxe bidet, the brand called Luxe bidet, and the model on this is called Neo 185. And I haven't opened it, it's still sealed. So I got this from Luxe. They sent me free, which I did the last demo in TikTok. So I'm going to actually do the next video for them. I'm going to open this up. And you can see the box. I'm gonna go down a little bit here, so you can. This is what is inside the box. Enjoy the bag. Yeah. Enjoy this travel bag as a gift. So I got this bag from them. And here's the bidet. This is all the kit that comes with it. You see here. I'm showing you an example of what it has. Okay. And this is all the stuff that is in the bag. And the box it. Alright, so I'm ready to go to my toilet. So now you can see this is my toilet here, and I'm looking through what stuff came with this. And so I'm gonna now install this base here. You see the base, and also the base itself. Let me just grab this real quick. Let me open this up. Okay, the back. You can see that you can adjust each way, depending on how your toilet is. This is where the hinge is here. So what I'm going to do is just make sure that you lose this the toilet cover, so you can insert this. Slide that in through that hole there. That way you're going to lock it up with the cap. They also come with this cap as well there too, that you can lock it up. So I'm gonna try, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna set that in. Okay. So make sure you lose the screw. The screw is actually on the back of this. So let me put this down first. So make sure you do both here. One left, one right. Let's see if I can lift it up. Yeah, let me see. Okay, look like I'm gonna clean a little bit now since I already pull it up a little bit. So I'm gonna just a wipe, just to clean right here. Should clean this up a little bit. Okay. Not sure I have enough gap, but I will, if that's the case, I will unloose the screw more. Okay. So you can fit the hinge knot. So make sure this go like this, not all the way, because this is where the flush is coming from. Okay. Make sure that's going down. And when I did this, and you can see that's gonna go and the screw. If you feel too tight, then you can unloose it. This one is not all the way in, so I'm gonna loosen up a little bit more so I can able to push it through. See? Now you can see it's all the way in through now. That's how it's gonna look. And once that in, I'm gonna cap this back. So tighten the back here. Okay, it's tight. And do the same on this side here too. So you just hold it. What I'm gonna do is just hold this part here too, while you basically tighten the screw on the back. Yeah. Make sure it's tight enough. Okay, that's in. And you can see I can put the toilet back, and here's is the base. It's underneath that. That's a good design. How Luxe create this brand without taking the whole toilet cover off there. That's pretty nice, clever. Okay, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna look to see what else is in here. It's been a while, like over a year, that I haven't installed the new bidet yet. I'm gonna see what else is here. This is the one that basically connecting to. If you look at the back here, I cannot really see the camera right now, but let me see. I can move up a little bit closer. You can see in here. You see on the back here, that's where it's gonna connect the hose to. And then I'm gonna put back the camera like this. And what else comes with this? I'm gonna close this real quick. So it comes with, this is the wrench, you can take it out. This is, if you look on the back here, let me just pull this out in the way. Okay. This is where you're gonna be unscrew, from the, you look on the back over here. So it's underneath the toilet bowl there. That way you're gonna take it out and then you're gonna split this connection. You can see, I'm gonna pull this out as well. And one of them, basically when you split, one of them go back into your pipe there. You can see the pipe on the back that's going to the wall where the plumbing is. So I cannot really get to the picture a little bit close. I'm gonna, if you can see it there, right there. I'm gonna move the camera a little bit closer. You see my pipe here, so you can see where the valve is for the shut-off valve, turn off and on. That's where your pipe is. Okay, what I'm gonna do is now make sure I'm gonna turn that off. Okay, you move it to the right side. Okay, now it's off. And what I'm gonna do is you might want to get a bucket as well here too, like this, if you were to unplug the drain off from the tank, because in case this might be water and a rack there too. So I'm gonna put it underneath here. Okay. Now unplug this. So just move to the left side. Okay. Now you can see the water start dripping now here. Okay. You can start dripping. Okay. And this is the extension that was provided by Luxe, and also a cable here. The cable here as well. Okay. Cable provided by this. So all the cable you're gonna plug in through on the back of this unit here. You can see there's a thread that you can plug in through that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug to there, and they also come with okay, there's tap-on tape as well. You put a tap-on tape if needed. Right, so first, okay, now I'm gonna put a tap-on tape on this side. You can see the thread here. I'm gonna look a little bit, and this part I don't need to put a tap-on tape because I can see there's a rubber here already shield. That should be fine. I only put this part here that going through where the Luxe is on the back of this unit here. That's what you're gonna need with the hose. So outside we already have a big, you can see by looking at the hole, there's also a big shield here already, the rubber. That should be fine. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it right now in here. So I just wrap it 1 or 2 times, should be fine. Okay. That's all you need to do, just wrap like that. Now this top one, you're gonna plug it into the top here, where you take out the, you can see on the camera a little bit there. That's what's coming from the line with the plumbing. And make sure I already turned it off already. Make sure there's no water coming in. So I'm gonna tie this up back. Put it back on now. Okay, you want to tie it back more to the right side. Shoot to the right. Okay, it's in. And you see this other end here. I'm gonna plug back to here on the bottom. So make sure tight. I mean, not too tight. It might damage the fitting. So just make sure it's enough for you. Alright, this is where the hose. I'm gonna plug it to in here. So you can see this is where the hose going through the other end of the pipe here. You can see here. So I'm gonna plug to this here on the back. I'm gonna use my hand. I might have to pull it. Don't force it too tight. Yeah, right. And now the other end, we're gonna plug it through here on this side. Okay. Okay. So it doesn't, you can see it doesn't fit this, but actually there's a cap here. I'm gonna look a little bit closer here. This is where actually you use that to tighten it up. So I thought we was using this. Okay. And now I'm gonna try and move that a little bit more tighter. Okay. Oh, now I can feel the pressure now. Okay. Okay, so that's good enough. Now I'm gonna turn off the valve. And the plumbing, want to make sure there's no leak, anything there. Don't turn it all the way yet, just a little bit slowly to make sure you don't got any leak. Normally I will look through here on the edge. There's no water. Double check this side here. Make sure there's no leak. And also with you split the valve from here too. Make sure there's no any water coming out a little bit here. This is very important. Yeah. Okay, now I confirm that there's no leak. I'm looking again. There's no leak, but I still put the bucket just in case if there's any leak there in the tower. Just double check. Now, okay. Now I'm gonna try to test it out. Okay, and you can see right now the knob here showing is off. So I'm pulling it out here, but I need to flush it out. I'm gonna try to see. And here's part is just the wash, okay? And you might get feel, but I'm gonna go and just cover it like this, just to make sure. I'm gonna test this out. Haven't tested this motor yet, okay? Get it on. You see everything coming through. Oh, now you can see. Okay, now since I already have everything plugged in now, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test to turn this on. Let's see how the water flow from here and where the nozzle is gonna go. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a plastic bag here too, just to shield. Make sure the water doesn't flow on top, and clean this up first. Okay, gonna hold like that. Right. So I'm gonna turn it on. Make sure. Okay. So I'm gonna hear the water's coming through now. I'm gonna turn on this how this wash is. Okay. So you have an option nozzle clean, and this is wash right now. And then we go back here in speed mode, so you can see the pressure where it's getting through from here. Okay, we're gonna put it back to wash. You want to turn it off? Just go like that. in the middle, turn it off. So there's an option here called, well, what else? I think just there's a pressure. You got 1 and then 2. So if you go more higher, you can see there's a little bit more like this. So the pressure is just going to move. All right, thank you for visiting, watching my video, and sorry that couldn't, I might not explain the whole full detail. Right, so I'm gonna take it out, just clean a little bit here, use a rag, but so far everything is fine now here. I'm gonna use a paper towel, just clean all of this. Might be a little bit wet here, after that. I mean, when you sit on will be okay. You just clean, make sure everything is good. So that's about it. This is called, let me look at the model again. I just wanna let you know, I'm gonna show you the box here. From this one, so it's pretty simple. Shouldn't take more than like what 20 minutes. So Neo 185. That's a model for the Luxe. Okay, right. Thank you for watching my video.